Sa'i. Sa'i is the going forth between Safa and Marwah 7 times. Firstly, Sa'i can only be performed on the heels of Tawaf. If one is making Umrah or Tawaf al-Qudum, then let them proceed straight to Safa when their Tawaf is complete with this 2 rak'ahs. Sa'i does not require a person be in wudu in order to be valid, but it's superior to be in wudu for it. Once at Safa, a person should stop and face the Kaaba and make dua for a good long time. Then one should start walking toward Marwa. While walking, just like in Tawaf, a person should make dua for themselves, for the good things of this world and the hereafter, for their family, for their loved ones, for the Ummah of the Prophet ﷺ in this world and in the next. Our mother Hajar alayhi salam went back and forth between these 2 places, Safa and Marwa, calling on Allah while looking for water. Allah Most High gifted her with Zamzam. You must also call upon Him so that the wellspring of divine grace may pour on you as well. Remember, her going back and forth looking for water didn't make the water happen. Her job was to hustle in order to seek from Allah Ta'ala, and Allah Ta'ala made the water come out of nowhere. Just like that, you hustle in order to please the Lord and to fulfill your responsibilities in this world, and Allah Ta'ala from nowhere will make your provision appear for you. When on the way to Marwa from Safa, you will notice a portion that is marked by green neon tube lights, whether on the side pillars or on the roof if a person is in a roof shaded area. This area is called the Batn al-Masil. It is a sunnah for the men to jog for this part and then to walk for the part that is coming down from Safa and then going up to Marwa. The Batn al-Masil, however, it's a sunnah for them to jog. When you run, know that you are running away from all those things that harm you and running toward the mercy of Allah Ta'ala. When you reach Marwa, stop for a long time and face the Kaaba Mu'azzama and make dua. This is 1 circuit. Likewise, you will complete 7 circuits, stopping to make dua 8 times. Dua, the first time is at the 0 circuit, then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So that comes out to 8 times you stop for dua. You start this process on Safa and you end your 8th stop for dua, you end it on Marwa. If you're making Umrah, now is the time to cut your hair and release yourself from Ihram. If you took the Ihram of Hajj, however, from the outside, meaning the Ihram of Ifrad, you will now once again raise your voice in the Talbiyah until you make it to Arafat on high noon on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, and likewise for the person who took the Ihram of Qiran of both Hajj and Umrah together.